In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the switch function in Google Sheets to simplify multiple conditions. It's perfect for grading systems, status labels, and more without using complex nested ifs. Let's get started. First, we will use this formula for this video. Switch expression, case 1, result 1, case 2, result 2. This checks the expression and returns a result based on the matching case. Next, I have a table here with student name and grade, and now I will use the switch formula to create automatic remarks. This helps categorize grades instantly without typing them manually. Then, go to the remark cell and input this formula, equals switch, B2, A, excellent, B, good, C, average, D, poor, F, fail. The words excellent, good, average, poor, and fail are the return values based on the grade in cell B2. This formula reads the grade and instantly assigns the corresponding remark. And finally, after you finish inputting the formula, just drag it down to apply it to the rest of the rows. It will automatically adjust to each student's grade and assign the right remark. And that's how to use the switch function in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!